This is your new Lacros Cyclone e-bike. Let's start assembling. Take out the e-bike carefully. Open the accessory box and check the components: charger, power cable, pedals, toolkit, and owner's manual. Handlebar installation. Loosen the bolt and remove the cover. Place the handlebar into the head tube. Tighten the bolt. Front wheel installation. Remove the disc brake protector and the front fork protector. Place front wheel in dropouts. Remove the thumb nut and one of the coolant springs. Insert the quick release skewer through the hub. Tighten the hub nut and close the quick release lever. Headlight and front fender installation. Reinsert the bolt through the light and fender to the hole. Tighten the bolt. Pedals installation. Locate the pedals and identify which is the right and left pedal. Thread and rotate each side pedal. Seat adjustment. Adjust the seat height by sliding the seat post up and down. Safety check before riding.